What we have here is the SteelSeries Arctis 7P Plus wireless gaming headset. Now these are a bit like Lionel Messi in the way that they have been given a lot of awards for their accomplishments. I mean, if you look down the side here, the manufacturer has just used one side of the box just to list all the awards that this headset has received. And if you look closely, you have the likes of IGN, you have the likes of PC Gamer, and there's quite a lot of awards going all the way down the side here. So we're expecting big things from this headset. Now on the other side, it tells you what's included in the box, and then there's a little diagram here on how to set up the connection. Down here at the bottom, it gives you some information about the wireless connectivity, about the headphones, and about the microphone. So the range is 40 foot, which is 12 meters. The battery life is 30 hours, which is very impressive. That's a very long time that you can use these headsets. That's really good, especially if you're traveling. Now down here it says PlayStation, PC, Switch and Android. So you can connect it to any of these devices and it should work without an issue. Now on the back of the box has got further information, some of which we've just touched on, but we'll talk about this more once we've opened the box and had a look at the headphones. So let's get onto the unboxing now. Now when you get out of the first box, this is what you see. You see a box which says For Glory on it. The way the headphones come out is just a slide from the side, and that's all. So here you have it guys. Straight away, I'm not impressed. The reason is because of what they've used here. This material is very cheap. I mean, you've won a lot of awards. Said spend a bit more money. Spend a bit more money and give us a better piece of packaging than just this here. But we're not here for the packaging. We're here for the headset themselves. So at the bottom, you have here the user manual, which is stuck on here very tight. I don't know why it needs to be that tight, but I've just managed to pull it off. So this is the user manual. Have a read of it when you get a chance. Now let's look at the content piece for piece. So the first thing you get here is the wireless piece which goes into the console, so your headphone can connect to it. It just says on here SteelSeries. Is just embedded into the piece itself, and it is a USB-C connection, so this will need to go into the console so the headphone can connect to it. So the next wire you have here is the USB-A to USB-C. This is going to be used to charge the headphone. Wouldn't need charging that often with a 30-hour battery life, but it depends on your usage. Next you have here is a USB-A on one side, and the other side is like a USB-C input. What this is going to be is an adapter, and this is going to be, if your console doesn't take a USB-C, then you can use the USB-A to put into a console and then put the wireless adapter on the other side, so then it connects to your console. And the final piece here is a 3.5mm jack audio cable, and here's the main piece, the headset itself. Now I've got mixed emotions, and the reason why I say that is there's some things I like and some things that I don't like. So what I like is the simplicity of it. From all the headphones that I've seen, I think this is really simple. It's plain, it's not overdone with the design, and I quite like that. It says SteelSeries here, and it's written there really beautifully, and obviously it's very important for them to put their own logo, their own branding onto their headphones. The thing I don't like is this piece here. I was expecting some padding in the inside here, but there's no padding here. This is just a piece of rubber, and it does feel very nice, this rubber, when you put your thumb against it, but this is going to be against your head with this in the way, so I don't really see a point of this. This here just reminds me of like a sweatband which you put on your head, and it's like a similar material. It is stretchy, so it goes to there, and I'm assuming this is what's supposed to keep you comfortable. But again, I'm not impressed with this. I don't think they should have gone with this. I think they should have gone with a traditional padding up here, which would have made it a lot better. At the top here you have the same material as you have here, and again, I don't see a reason for this unless you're just holding it to transport it. Even then, this part here hurts you on your hand, so that doesn't really make sense as well. But this is just done really poorly in my opinion. Another thing I've noticed is that there's no way to stretch this and make it bigger. I mean, am I missing something here, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below, but I can't see any way to make this longer or to extend it. What about people who have bigger heads like me? This is like for a small child, this size here. I don't know how to change it. Now the inside of the earmuff, it looks very comfortable, and it does feel very comfortable. On here you have like a memory foam type of material, so if I push it in, it does take a while to get back. into its natural form. And as you guys know, memory foam is quite comfortable, so this would feel really comfortable when you wear them. Here you have a bit of a mesh where the speaker is. Now if you look at the left side earmuff, you have the mic mute button, you have the volume toggle button, which is quite soft and it's nice when you're moving it up and down. It has a bit of a grip on there as well. Then you have a few connectivities here. This is for the power cable, 3.5mm jack. And then also you have the mic. When the mic is in, it's inactive, it's not being used. When the mic comes out, that's when you use the mic. And it does have quite a bit of movement, so you can move it into the position that you want it, and it's easily put in and easily pulled out. Now on the right side, you have this side tone toggle, which feels the same as the volume button, but this is different because this is used to adjust the mic monitoring levels. Then you have here the power button, which serves a couple of purposes. You hold the power button down for a couple of seconds, it turns the headphone on and off. If you connect this to your phone and you press this once, if somebody's calling you and you press it once, it'll answer the call. Press it once again when you want to end the call. If you're playing music, you press it once to play and pause the music. If you want it to go to the next track, you press it twice, and if you want it to go back a track, you press it 3 times. So there you have it. That was the unboxing and the look around of the SteelSeries Arctis 7P Plus wireless headset. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.